Hey everyone, I'm Chris from Tire Supply Network, and I'm excited to share Plus Auto's newest product, tire paint. This is the Plus Auto ready-to-use tire paint, and this is the Plus Auto concentrate tire paint. This is Plus Auto's 5-gallon ready-to-use tire paint, and it's exactly how it sounds. It's ready to use. Just pop the lid and get to painting. So whether you're using a spray gun, paint roller, or even a paint mitt, this is ready to go whenever you are. Plus Auto's tire paint is rubber-based, non-petroleum, and non-toxic, and it's perfect for used tire shops and retread plants. This is Plus Auto's concentrate tire paint. Plus Auto recommends a 10-to-1 ratio. Using it in a 10-to-1 ratio will maximize your dollar's worth out of this bucket of paint. Plus Auto's concentrated tire paint can be used with a paint mitt, a sprayer, or a roll brush when diluted 10-to-1 as recommended. And this is still perfect for retread shops or used tire shops. So we have our Plus Auto 10-to-1 concentrate that we're gonna mix up right now. I got my measuring spoon. We're gonna go 10 parts water, 1 part paint. Let's get after it. Okay, now it's time to take our measuring device and mix in our paint, but I'm gonna wear gloves because I got a hot date tonight.
No, you don't.
Yeah, but you could imagine. This is the Plus Auto tire paint that's ready to use. We're gonna pour it into our little convenient bucket, and we're gonna paint that tire. Not a huge mess either, that's a plus. Now let's see these things in action and finally get to watch some paint dry. I got my Plus Auto concentrated tire paint. This is diluted 10-to-1 as you just saw. And this is what I meant by a paint mitt. This is a wash mitt, but we call it a paint mitt. These are available on TireSupplyNetwork.com. I open this up, we're gonna paint a little swatch for this tire. So now I have my Plus Auto ready to use. This is straight from the bucket, nice and diluted. And we're gonna paint the other half of this tire. So I spared you guys the pain of watching paint dry. It's been about 24 hours now, and check out the results. This is obviously the painted side. Not painted. Painted. Not painted. You can get your Plus Auto tire paint at TireSupplyNetwork.com today. Thanks for watching.